Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay with Capitec. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for the plus sign in the top right corner and tap it. Then, choose Debit or Credit Card and follow the simple on-screen instructions. You'll need to verify your Capitec card details, which usually involves a quick SMS code to complete the secure setup process. It only takes a minute or two. Making payments in store is incredibly easy and secure. Simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Authenticate your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. Then, hold your device within a few centimeters of the contactless payment terminal. You'll see a Done message and a check mark on your screen, confirming your payment was successful in just a couple of seconds. Using Apple Pay for online and in-app purchases is just as straightforward. When you're ready to check out, simply look for the distinctive Apple Pay button. If you have several cards linked, make sure to select your Capitec card. Then, confirm your purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. Your shipping and billing details are securely transmitted, making the process quick and private. Apple Pay offers robust security features. Your actual Capitec card number is never stored on your device or shared with merchants. Instead, a unique encrypted device account number is used. Every single transaction requires your authentication, adding an extra layer of protection. This provides incredible convenience and speed, allowing you to leave your physical cards at home, and it's accepted at millions of locations worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.